Have you ever seen an ant sleeping? Probably not. That's because ants don't sleep like we do. But does that mean they never rest? Or are they just built differently? Today, we're diving into one of nature's tiniest yet most fascinating mysteries. Why don't ants sleep? Welcome to Thinkverse, where science meets wonder. Let's explore. First, let's talk about sleep. In humans and many animals, sleep is a deep rest. Your body shuts down, your brain recharges. It's vital for memory, healing, and survival. Without sleep, we become slow, confused, even sick. But ants? They operate on a completely different level. Ant colonies never sleep, literally. The whole colony stays active around the clock. They forage, they build, they protect their queen. So how do they survive without rest? Well, here's the twist. Ants do rest, just not like us. They don't lie down. They don't dream. Instead, ants take hundreds of tiny power naps, just a few seconds at a time. These micro naps are scattered throughout the day, enough to keep them going, but short enough to stay alert. Researchers studied fire ants and found something amazing. Worker ants nap about 250 times a day. Each nap lasts just over a minute. That adds up to nearly 5 hours of rest spread across the day. So yes, ants rest. They just do it in fast, tiny bursts. But queens? Now they're different. Queen ants get real rest, up to 9 hours a day. They nap in long, regular cycles because her job is to reproduce. She needs energy to lay thousands of eggs, while the workers keep working. But how do ants function with so little rest? The answer lies in their brains. Ant brains are efficient and specialized. Instead of shutting down completely, only small parts of their brain rest at a time. Think of it like this. One room of the brain powers down, while the rest stays awake. It's a rotating system, like a relay race, never stopping. This allows ants to always be ready, to always respond, and to keep their colony running like a machine. Also, ants aren't all resting at the same time. Some work, some pause. Then they switch. That way, the colony is never left unguarded. They rotate duties, sleep in shifts, and that's how they've survived for over 100 million years. Ants also have no eyelids, so their rest is invisible. They stay still, their antennae droop slightly, but that's it. So when you look at an ant, you might be looking at one mid-nap. Why does this matter? Because ants show us that nature finds creative solutions. Where humans need 8 hours of sleep, ants make do with micro naps. They've evolved for maximum efficiency. No wasted time. No full shutdown. Imagine if humans could do that. Just blink and recharge. Maybe one day science will figure it out. Until then, ants remain one of Earth's greatest multitaskers. Always busy, always moving, always half awake. So, do ants sleep? Not like us, but they rest. Quietly, efficiently, and always with a purpose. This is Thinkverse, where tiny questions lead to massive wonder. And hey, if you're curious what would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning, we've got a whole video on that. The link is in the description. Subscribe for more amazing science, and keep your curiosity in motion.